So this video is about star transformation query. So what we're going to do in this particular video is do a star transformation query three different ways. One with star transformation turned off, one with it turned on to temp disable, and one where it's turned on fully with the enabled. So the first thing I want to do is use the SH schema. So I'm going to log in. Oh, first of all, let me show you the query, ultimately what the query is going to look like. So we're going to create three tables, one based on the sales, products, and customers. In the SH schema, I'm going to call these sales star, product star, and customer star. We're going to create certain indexes and bitmap indexes on these tables, and then we're going to turn on star transformation query. So the first thing we want to do is log on, and now I'm going to log in as SH. And let's go ahead and create some tables. Create table sales star as select star from sh.sales. Create table customers star as select star from sh.customers. Create table products star as select star from sh.products. Okay, so we've created the tables. Let's go ahead and create primary keys on the dimension tables. Now, this sales is a fact table, and customers and products are the dimensions associated with. So we're going to create some primary keys on those. So let's do that. Alter table customers star add constraint cust ID pk primary key cust ID. Alter table products star add constraint prod ID pk primary key prod ID. Okay, these are done. So these mean that some indexes got created. Let's take a look. Actually, select index table name index name from user indexes where table name is in. Actually, let's start over. Select table name index name uniqueness from user indexes where table name is in. Customers star and products star. Okay, good. So now we see the two indexes, two unique unique indexes got created for both products star and customer star. Let's go ahead and create some foreign key constraints from the fact table to the dimension table. So let's do that now. Alter table sales star add constraint sales prod star fk foreign key prod id reference should have said sales prod star, but we'll just say that's okay. Sales cust star FK foreign key cust ID references customers star cust ID. Okay, that's done. So now what we need to do is let's create some bitmapped indexes. I want to create some bitmapped indexes on the foreign keys, but I also want to create some bitmapped indexes on some other attributes as well. We'll talk about that in a second, but first let's create the bitmapped indexes on the foreign key constraint columns. So create bitmap index sales cust on sales star cust ID. Create bitmap index sales prod bitmap index on sales star prod ID. Okay, and let's look at that that query again. Explain one.SQL. We have some additional columns on the dimension tables themselves, namely subcategory, city, gender. So let's create some bitmap indexes on those as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Create bitmap index customers star gender index on customers star cust gender. Create bitmap index customers star city bitmap index on customers star cust city. Create bitmap index products star subcategory bitmap index on products star prod subcategory description. Okay, so now we've created those bitmap indexes. Let's go ahead and gather some stats. So let's go. Start with the fact table, exec dbms stats gather table stats sh sales star cascade true exec dbms stats gather table stats oops start again exec dbms stats gather table stats sh customers star cascade is true. And last but not least, exec dbms stats gather table stats sh products star cascade is true. Okay, good. So now we've done all of that. Now let's go ahead and run our query. The first time I want to run the query, I want to do with this star transformation enabled equals false. So let's go ahead and make sure that's set to false. false. Okay, and then we're going to go at explain.sql. Let's look at one more time at cat explain1.sql at explain1.sql. Set line size to be 150. Select star from table dbms xplan display. Okay, and we can see that the total cost here is $494. Okay, now let's go ahead and run it again. This time I'm going to set it with temp disable. So let's go ahead and do that. Alter session set star transformation enabled is equal to temp disable. And let's run the explain plan again at explain.sql. And then let's go select star table dbms xplan.display. And we can see if we scroll up, we can see the total cost here is now 51. And then the last exercise I want to do, or the last test I want to do, is let's go ahead and turn off full-blown star transformation enabled to set it to true. So alter session set star transformation enabled equal true at alter session set star transformation enabled is equal to true. Okay, alter session set star transformation enabled is equal to true. There we go. And then let's do at explain1 select star from table dbms xplan.display. And here we finally reduced it to the total cost of 33. And that's it for this video.